where young minds meets tomorrow's tech.
Why do some materials feel hotter than others? Welcome back, young scientists. Now that we know how heat moves, let's explore why some materials feel hotter than others. Ever touched a metal handle of a frying pan and thought, ouch, that's hot, while a wooden spoon feels cool? Why is that? Well, it all comes down to whether the material is a conductor or an insulator. Conductors. First, let's talk about conductors. A conductor is a material that allows heat to pass through it very easily. For example, this metal frying pan. When the pan gets hot, the heat travels through the metal handle, making it hot to the touch. As you can see, metal is a good conductor of heat. That's why the handle gets so hot so quickly. Heat moves through the metal easily, making it feel hot when you touch it. Insulators. Now, let's look at insulators. An insulator is a material that blocks or slows down the transfer of heat. This wooden spoon is a great example. When it's near the hot pan, it doesn't get hot like the metal handle does. Wood is a good insulator. It doesn't let heat flow through it easily, so when you use a wooden spoon to stir hot food, you don't have to worry about burning your hand. That's why we use materials like wood or plastic for things like handles. They keep the heat away. Why it matters. So, conductors help heat move quickly, and insulators help block or slow it down. We use conductors like metals in things that need to heat up fast, like cooking pans. And we use insulators, like wood or rubber, to make sure we don't get burned by hot surfaces. Remember, conductors are materials that let heat flow through them easily, while insulators keep heat away. It's thanks to these properties that we can safely cook and handle hot objects every day. Well, that's all for today, young scientists. Now you know why some materials feel hotter than others. Keep exploring. And remember, conductors and insulators are everywhere, helping us stay safe and learn more about heat every day. See you next time.
Brought to you by Meta Robotics Education.